So, if you ever have tension in your forearms or popping, painful sensations in your palms or fingers, particularly these three, I have a 5-minute routine to release the thumb, which is so overused because of how we hold our phones, like I'm doing right now. And also, if you do really detailed work, like mechanic work, repetitive work, or any kind of factory work or even office work, this routine is really great for your thumbs and forearms and fingers and the nerves. So let's get started. So you're going to take your thumb of your one hand, and yes, even though we are hurting in our thumbs, we're going to use the thumb to release the other thumb. So you're going to take the meat of your thumb with one thumb and then your forefinger on the other side of the meat of your thumb, and you're going to just do circles. You're going to do 5 of them, and you'll probably feel some intense tenderness, some thick little sections of muscle or tendon in here as you do these 5. No need to do more than 5. Now we're going to switch direction and do 5 the other way. So you don't want to overdo this. You can do it twice a day and just let the thumb rest. So it's tempting to do it 3 or 4 times a day. Don't do that. Next, we're going to grab this tiny little piece of skin right here. Just a tiny pinch of skin on the top part of the thumb between the thumb and the wrist. You can see it right there. And then we're going to do this again. 3, 4, 5. Regrip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that gets this little tendon that connects in here. Then we're going to take the hand and grip over the forearm on this muscle right here with the fingers, and then place the wrist against the forearm and keep circling the thumb while circling the wrist for 5. And then circle the thumb in the other direction while circling the wrist for 5 more. And you're going to feel that muscle along the side and top of the forearm getting massaged. We're going to grip a second time a little farther up the arm and keep rotating the thumb while rotating the wrist, and keep rotating the thumb while rotating the wrist, gripping up the arm in one more higher spot here. You can grip another time if you like, getting all the way up into this muscle right here. And then the other way. And then just shake it out. And then we're going to do the other side. So gripping the thumb meat and the thumb meat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might feel like you're not moving much, but you are making a difference. Now we're going to take that little piece of meat right here. Just pinch it and hold on to it. It'll be hard to hold on to, so get a good grip and do your best. And then 5 the other way. And then we start on the arm. There's a muscle right here. You want to put your fingers on it. The palm and thumb are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, you're rotating the thumb as you're rotating the wrist. Up a little farther. Rotating the thumb, rotating the wrist. Rotating the thumb, rotating the wrist. And up a little farther again. Really gripping onto that muscle. And just feeling what's happening in there, feeling what's loosening up. Let's go one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, just getting used to knowing your body here. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. And getting some circulation to those places that are sometimes neglected. So I hope that feels better. If you do that for a week, twice a day, you're gonna feel a lot better in your forearms, wrists, and thumbs. Take care. Bye.